Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So with your vehicle turned on like this is now, on the side here you'll see this. This is your on and off for your traction control. So you just push it once to turn it off, and then push it again to turn it back on. And you know it's off because on your display you'll see this lit up. This indicates that your traction control is turned off, and then again I'll push that button and it turns it back on. And if you're having issues with this turning on and off, say it's just stuck on this symbol and you can't get it with this to turn off, you'll probably need some sort of repair. So you might need to take a diagnostic tool with the OBD2 port, see if there's any codes or anything like that that might indicate maybe there's like a sensor that needs repaired or something with your suspension. And then in general, you usually want to leave it on. Situations you might turn it off is, say, if you're in a vehicle and you're towing. You also might turn it off if, say, you're in some really rough road conditions, like a lot of loose mud, gravel, snow, something like that. Say like you get stuck in the mud, you might turn it off to help the wheel spin a certain way so you can get out. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.